right, and we are live. We should be ready to go. So I hope you guys are all having a great and a amazing day today. Welcome to the live stream. In today's video, today's live stream, we are going to be talking about really what is going on right now in the stock market. We're also going to be covering certain stocks, so we hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'm just making sure we are good here, up and loaded. All right, yes, we are good. So welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys are all killing it here. So really what I wanted to talk about is AI, ticker symbol AI, also known as C3.AI. Now, kind of a breakdown here of what is going on. A lot of people have been freaking out, saying, Carter, what is going on with this company, right? So what pretty much just happened is a company has came out, and they pretty much stated that this company is falsifying income statements, right? So anytime you have that get put out, you're going to have issues. You're going to have people sell. You're going to have, you're going to have audits. You're going to have different things get looked at for this company. And the reason why right now it's so bad is because let's look back at previous history in the past year. What has been done? So we've seen Silicon Valley Bank close. We've seen Signature Bank close. We've seen FTX, which pretty much falsified income statements. Very, very similar stuff. What's going on here with this company now? Are they doing it? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert. What they pretty much have been stating, and what I think it was this capital firm pretty much said they were falsifying, and bloating up their stock. They were claiming to be a high margin company when in reality they were a low margin, and just stuff like that, which causes people to panic, causes emotion, causes fear, and obviously it's going to cause this bad boy to go from 34 to 21. Now, a lot of people right now are looking at it and understanding there is some relatively surprising, there is some decent support. If we're looking at it as a technical trader, right now we do have heavy support under 20. Looking at it, buying pressure. So yes, right now there could be a possible short-term opportunity where we see a little bounce. Now, realistically, I would rather see you guys stay away from this thing for a week or two. I would not be surprised if we see that break, to 17, in the next week or so. But on the flip side, we do have that very heavy support here. So it's really, really interesting. I'm super excited to kind of see what happens. But honestly, we're just seeing issues, with that short seller that is claiming that this company is falsifying income statements. So it's gonna be a whirl of events here once some more news gets put out, and I'll try to keep you guys updated as I know. But another company that I wanted to cover, is very similar to this. Is we've seen, I believe it was Big Bear. This is another AI company here. This one here, you'll notice we've seen this thing go from $3 to $2, which is not the greatest. And I'm looking at that, we can even go to like a minute chart and you guys can see, just kind of how crazy the past couple of days for the stock has been. Right, this is another AI company. Obviously, this whole sector right now is selling off due to everything going on. So you'll notice here went from $3 all the way to $2, selling off like crazy because of everything going on. So you're gonna have fear. Anytime fear gets put out in the market, it causes people to sell, but obviously for a good reason. Because if they are falsifying documents right now, you want to get out early, because if they are, that's going to cause more investors to sell and sell and sell. So you're going to have this thing get annihilated. But for the whole sector selling off, I get it. I understand, because people would rather just cut their losses right now than hold stuff. So if you guys have tech right now, I guess you really have two options. Option A is pretend that nothing has happened. Understand anytime you invest in growth stock, growth is higher volatility, means it goes up and down at a little bit more of a rapid rate, and don't even look at it. Now, if you look at it and you're like, I got to get out, I would see what happens. For me, I would if you're holding another company other than C3.AI, we'll probably see a lot more consolidation here. Than C3. C3, I would not be surprised if we get more sell off. But BBAI, this one here is just selling off due to very similar stuff going on with C3. So if you guys are holding this, I expect this to just see a little flat day tomorrow, maybe a little consolidation, possible small reversal, something like that. Another issue, with that is we've seen big players. NVDA, look at this chart. Annihilated. This thing went from 280 all the way to 263. Now, the sector right now, NVIDIA has had a crazy run. In the past year to date, it's up well over, look at this rebound. Look at this rebound. This thing has gone from $110 to $281 a share. $281 a share year to date, or about a year to date, whatever. So obviously this has had a crazy move. I think it's near and around 80-90%. So we're hitting resistance. So this is all common stuff. So yes, the general sector is selling off, but look at the move this thing has made. Anytime a stock goes up this much this quick, you're going to have sell off, and that's what we're seeing. So for me, I'm not too worried about it. I understand this is a long-term investment, at least for me. And honestly, even right now from the highs, this is like investing in this stock here. If we zoom out, like investing in this thing in 2021, so 2 years ago, this is where that price was. So I think it's a relatively good buy. And the revenue compared to 2 years ago, the revenue's up well over 40%, more cash, more assets. So I do think that right now, yes, this could be a buy, guys. So another big a big player here is Tesla. Tesla has seen some hits. TSLA here. Now, Tesla did release some of their delivery reports, and they actually, did not meet expectations, which has caused this thing to sell off from about 210 to 185. They didn't miss it by much, but anytime you have missed deliveries or, too much inventory, I know I read an article on that, you're going to have investors that are nitpicking and saying, I got to get out, they're done. So I think right now, should you invest in Tesla? I think Tesla is a great company. Obviously, it's a growth stock. So what does growth mean, guys? Higher volatility, higher risk, goes up and down more. So, for me, do you think Apple has ever had a missed delivery or, missed iPhone sales? Absolutely. Do you think, Google has had during their prime has had missed earnings? Yeah, stuff like this is going to happen. I think it's always, strong of a company to see how they come back. And if we're seeing a, quarter after quarter after quarter of missed earnings, obviously that's when it's all right, maybe we should stay away from it. But when the company's increasing their profit margin, increasing their cash on hand, increasing their revenue by 20-30%, I think that's all noble actions to understand that, right now we had missed deliveries. Okay, but let's look at it as a whole. Let's look at it, year to date. Let's look at it, how much the company's growing. So I think Tesla right now is pretty much at a pretty fair price. I would say anytime this thing dips under, if we can get it under 170, it's a good buy. Especially if you can get back down to 101. If you guys made this move, great job on that entry, right on that support line there, guys. So you'll notice, right, if we zoom out, we've seen recent support at that price. So, it's a great move there. And I would highly recommend everybody that's watching just set a ton of price alerts. It's better to be more notified than not even invest, missed opportunities. So set alerts. They're super easy to do. You can do them on Robinhood. You can do them on TD. You can do them on Moomoo. Any broker you guys have, you guys can do it. You guys can do it on. But this is what's going on. We're seeing a ton of volatility right now in the market. Do I think we're gonna have sell off this year? Honestly, I hope we do. I hope I can buy more stocks at a cheaper price. Yeah, that's what I say about that. But guys, Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are all killing it each and every day, going after your guys' goals. If you guys get anything value out of the live stream, out of the videos I put out, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys do that. You guys have no idea. Nearing 23 subscribers or 23,000, nearing 23,000 subs on YouTube is absolutely crazy for me. I remember when this channel had 50 subscribers, and I was making a video every single day, and I still try to do the same. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys get something out of it. That's the overall goal out of it. So, guys, we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, stay safe, and we will see you guys tomorrow in another episode. And let me know down in the comments, what you guys enjoy. Do you guys like trading videos, stock reviews? Do you like broker reviews, credit card reviews? I try to do a little bit of everything. And so I kind of gauge, on interactions at what videos maybe do well, or maybe some videos to stay away from. So I know lately you guys have been really loving the swing trading videos, so I'll try to keep those going for you guys. But remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive. Go after your goals. I want to see you guys crush it this year. And honestly, if people don't believe in you, just run them over. Not with your car, but with your mindset. No one knows you, and just absolutely, I want to see you guys take over the world. So, guys, we'll see you guys later. Take care. Remember to stay happy, stay positive. I know I say it a lot, but it's so important for me, for you guys to stay